Hi, kids! It's me, Momolu! Today, we're going to learn how to play the xylophone. The xylophone is a percussion instrument, meaning that it must be hit by something in order to make a sound. Let's try it! The shorter bars make the higher sounds. The longer bars make the lower sounds. Remember to tap lightly and not bang. Are you ready to try a song? Let's give it a go. Excellent! Let's try it again. A little faster this time. Great job! Oops! Think about what other songs you could play. See you next time!